Best way to avoid confusion with Alpha Divination. Alpha Divination is one of the powerful spiritual tools to gain clarity within Igbo spirituality. It allows us to access wisdom from the unseen world, guidance from our chi, our ezumezu or spiritual guides, and other divine forces. But as powerful as Alpha is, it can also become a source of confusion or misdirection if not approached with the right mindset and method. So, how do you avoid confusion when consulting Alpha? Let's break it down. Number 1. Go with a single purpose. Before you go for Alpha, be crystal clear on why you are going. Are you seeking guidance about your health? Are you asking about a relationship? Do you want clarity on a life decision or spiritual calling? Going into Alpha with a scattered mind can open the door to vague or conflicting messages. But going in with a focused heart and a defined question allows clarity to come through more easily. Number 2. Choose your diviner carefully. This cannot be overstated. The character of the Dibia matters a lot. With all the distractions present in today's world, unfortunately, not everyone who reads Alpha has pure intentions. Some signs of a trustworthy diviner: they are known for their integrity. They don't instill fear or create unnecessary panic. Their guidance leaves you feeling empowered, not dependent. They don't invent problems just to sell you expensive solutions. Beware of those who use Alpha as a tool for personal gain or manipulation. A true Dibia helps you connect with your own chi, not turn you into their financial project. Number 3. Sit with the revelations. Just because something is revealed in Alpha doesn't mean you must act immediately. Reflect. Meditate. Use your discernment. Some messages come as warnings, others as instructions, and some simply as information to help you make wiser choices. Always cross-check what you've heard with your own intuition. Your chi will confirm what is meant for you. Number 4. Discernment is your responsibility. A Dibia may reveal the path, but walking in it is your choice. It is your responsibility to filter the message through your inner knowing, avoid fear-based decisions, stay aligned with your values and unso, the spiritual boundaries. In fact, the more spiritually aligned you are, the easier it becomes to know whether a divination message is truth or noise. Your intuition sharpens with each experience. To sum it up, divination is meant to guide, not control you. When used properly, it is like a spiritual mirror. It shows you what is, what could be, and how you might respond. But you still hold the power. To avoid confusion, go with a single, focused purpose. Choose a diviner with a proven character. Reflect deeply before making decisions, and always trust your chi and intuition above all. Thank you for listening. If this teaching sparked a thought or made you feel something, I'd love to hear it. Drop your comments below. If you enjoyed this, feel free to share it to someone who you think will appreciate it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss new releases. You can also check out the full written piece on the website linked in the description below. Until next time, Yagazie.